Right, we're back on the zx650. This is the one with the bad engine noise. So what I've done was, first thing that I've tried with this today is take off the covers at the bottom to rotate the engine by hand, because I thought possibly there might have been a section of the chain that was stretched. Basically, you're getting to the thought process was there's possibly a point in the chain that was stretched, so you were getting a rattle from that, just that section of the chain. But I've basically rotated the engine 360 degrees. I've done it quite a few times now, and at no point is that chain lose tension. Also, what I've done as well was I removed the automatic tensioner to make sure that that was operating correctly. That's fine, it's in good condition and operating as it should. So the next point was to take the clutch casing off, and we have now found the problem. So there's a chain there, I don't know how well you could see it, but that's just rattling a bit. So either that chain's stretched or there's a failed tensioner for that chain, but that's where the rattle noise is coming from. So we've now located the problem. The next step is to remove this clutch assembly and find out what's going on behind it, whether, as I say, whether it's a failed tensioner or a stretched chain or both. But more than likely we'll just replace the chain and the tensioner if there is one. zx650 Ninja, bad engine noise problem. We're getting there.